Juniper is actually a 30 years old brand. We are into 500 plus LFS and 200 plus cities across India. And they are getting a 35% of margin. We are from Jaipur based company and we have started this brand in 2012. And this 13 years of journey, we are into 500 plus LFS and 200 plus cities across India. This brand is mainly for ethnic and fusion wear, and this brand caters 18 to 40 years of the age group. And we produce all kind of a garments like 3-piece set, 2-piece, cot sets, tunic, dresses, long dresses, short dresses, everything. And it is a very one of the loved brand of all youngsters. We are already having 1 crore happy customers in our data, and with a 100,000 followers in Instagram, which is a very good response we already have. And we have come across to a Franchisee India to grow our brand with the franchisee format, because till now we are into LFS. Now we are going to franchisee our individual stores. First of all, why we are going to Franchisee India? Because in LFS, we have a very limited space where we can just serve a limited option to our loved customer. Now, if we grow with the EBOs, we can really offer them all our complete collection of 300 to 400 options every year, every month I can say, because 1000 options we produce every year. So our loved customer will definitely have a complete collection in their wardrobe, and we love to serve them. And for this franchisee, we have a very simple offer. It's the total investment of 36 lakh rupees, which includes furniture of 12 to 15 lakh, which includes 15 lakh of your inventory, stock inventory, which is refundable. And against that 15 lakh, we are giving 45 lakh rupees of goods against that stock, against that 15 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees franchisee fees and 2 lakh rupees of marketing. So including everything, pin to the top, just franchisee have to cut the ribbon in 36 lakh rupees, and they are getting a 35% of margin and 44% of ROI, which is definitely, and 44% is the highest rental we have taken all over India. It's an average. And if we are having in tier 2 or tier 3 cities, it will be more than 50 to 52% of ROI. So which is really very beneficial for all our franchisees. And we guarantee for 12 to 15 lakh rupees sale, which will be definitely returns of 5 lakh rupees, and they can earn a 2 lakh rupees net profit of every store. So we really want you to please join us and just explore our brand. And I'm telling you, we are really happy to welcome you in our Juniper family. We are giving a marketing support that 2 lakh rupees what we are taking from the customer. We are going to give, first of all, we are having a 100,000 Instagram followers and 1 crore 25 lakh impression every month on our website. So once we have, example, if we are opening a store in Delhi, so definitely we are going to market them on the Meta ad that now Juniper is in Gurgaon. So definitely around 20 lakh of the people around the Gurgaon, they will be knowing Juniper, who is already using Juniper. They will be already knowing, okay, Juniper is at Gurgaon, Juniper is in Patna, Juniper is in Noida, whatever, wherever in India, in South, Hyderabad, Telangana, wherever, Chennai. So this marketing, we will explore that one. Second, local marketing definitely we are doing. We can nearby, if one of the store tier 2, they say we in our area hoarding works more, definitely we are going to provide hoarding. In metro cities, they say newspapers works more, we are going to give newspaper ad. So definitely marketing will be definitely will support for the marketing, because it is just not a business, we are making a business partner. We are just not selling the franchisee. 2025 for the franchisee, we just wanted to open a very selected 10 stores in franchisee, because first season we wanted a very selective stores, and slowly in 3 years of time we wanted to open 100 stores in franchise. And Juniper is actually a 30 years old brand, old company with a manufacturing of Aman Export International, and Juniper is launched 12 years ago. and we wanted to take this legacy for another two generations. So we really wanted my franchisee to be a part of our legacy. Thank you.